how can I actually transfer my assets to the trust in such a way that I reduce my estate duty? Right. Now, what is this estate duty? An estate duty is a tax that is payable upon death. Yes, my name is Shilebo Mutiba. I'm your tax and financial advisor. I speak everything to do with tax and financial planning and property. Now, some people, what they do, that's another way of transferring your properties or your assets to the trust. What they do, they sell their assets on a loan account to the trust. Of course, once they dispose those properties, the growth of those assets is actually in the trust. In that way, effectively, they are reducing the estate because the growth is now transferred to the trust. Therefore, over time, as the property is growing, is not going to be applicable, or rather, the value of that growth is not going to be accounted in their estate. One can argue then and say, but then there's a loan amount that is actually the trust is owing you. But of course, over time, that loan amount reduces in value because the trust can, over time, return some of the money that then you leave off. Eventually, you end up having less and less estate in your hands. And upon death, then you end up having less in estate duty. But just be mindful that there are tax implications where you are loaning the trust and you're not charging any interest rate. You must be careful because if you're loaning a trust and you're not charging the trust what you call an interest on that particular loan, you could find yourself having what you call deemed donation. The difference being what you're not charging the trust and repo rate and 100 basis point could be considered a deemed donation, where you find yourself having to pay a donation tax. So that's why more crafting and tax strategy is necessary when you're trying to do this. But effectively, that's how other people use it to actually reduce their potential estate duty, right? Another way of reducing your estate duty. We want to transfer as much wealth as possible to the next generation. That is another way of reducing those costs. Good luck.